Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Home would like to send you critical alerts on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type issue that you find a pop-up message that Home will like to send you critical alerts. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So you have a simple way. You just have to make a force restart to fix this issue. So now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up and volume down, then press on the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, you have to release the button, wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed. You will not get the pop-up just like that. The home will like to send you critical alerts. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.